Broccoli. That small green vegetable on your plate is packed with nutrients your body craves. Here's everything you need to know about its nutrition, benefits, and side effects. Nutritional powerhouse. Broccoli is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and folate. A single cup contains more vitamin C than an orange, plus potassium, calcium, iron, and antioxidants like sulforaphane and lutein. It's low in calories yet incredibly dense in nutrients, making it one of the most efficient vegetables you can add to your daily meals. Boosts immunity. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, broccoli strengthens your immune system and helps your body fight off infections. Regular consumption supports white blood cell production and antibody response, keeping you healthier through cold and flu season while speeding up recovery when you do get sick. Supports heart health. Broccoli contains fiber, potassium, and antioxidants that help lower cholesterol and reduce blood pressure. Sulforaphane, a compound unique to cruciferous vegetables, is linked to reduced inflammation and better blood vessel function, both essential for keeping your heart strong and your arteries clear over time. May help prevent cancer. Studies suggest sulforaphane and other compounds in broccoli may help protect cells from damage and slow the growth of cancer cells, particularly in the colon, breast, and lungs. It's not a cure, but adding broccoli to your diet regularly is a simple, natural preventive step worth taking. Aids digestion. Broccoli is rich in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and feeds beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut also supports better nutrient absorption, a stronger immune system, and even improved mood, since much of your body's serotonin is produced in the gut. Strengthens bones. Broccoli is a great vegetable for supporting strong and healthy bones. It provides important nutrients such as calcium, vitamin K, and phosphorus, which all play a role in maintaining bone strength and density. Vitamin K is especially important for proper bone formation, while calcium and phosphorus help maintain the structure of your bones. Including broccoli regularly as part of a balanced diet can support bone health as you get older and may help reduce the risk of weak bones and fractures over time. Side effects to watch for. Broccoli is generally safe, but eating too much can cause bloating and gas due to its high fiber content. People on blood thinners should be cautious, since broccoli's vitamin K can interfere with medication. Those with thyroid issues should also moderate intake, as raw broccoli contains goitrogens that may affect thyroid function when eaten in excess. So, broccoli isn't just a side dish, it's a nutritional powerhouse with real, science-backed health benefits, as long as you eat it in moderation. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share your favorite way to eat broccoli in the comments below.